Hello and welcome to Monster Insights. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up Google Optimize in WordPress the easy way. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we post the next video showing you how to grow your website and reach your audience. In this tutorial, we'll show you how you can easily set up Google Optimize on your WordPress website. Google Optimize is a free A/B testing product from Google that allows you to run experiments to see what works best on your website. That way you can increase your number of conversions and reduce your bounce rate. No doubt you'll want to run A/B tests on different headlines, landing pages, test your call to action button colors, and other elements on your site. One of the best things about Google Optimize is that a small and medium-sized business can run powerful tests without worrying about a budget or needing a team of experts. Best of all, it's built right on top of Google Analytics. So by using Google Optimize, you can start using your analytics data to conduct A/B tests and improve your users' experience and conversions right on your site right away. In order to install Google Optimize on your site, you'll just need to insert a small snippet of code into your website's header. Now, if you're a beginner, that can be a little bit tricky, but thankfully, Monster Insights has a powerful Google Optimize add-on that makes the process super simple, and you won't even need to touch a line of code. Before we get started with the Optimize process, you'll need to install the Monster Insights plugin on your WordPress site, have an existing Google Analytics account, and make sure that you've uninstalled any other Google Analytics plugins and removed any tracking code. Now, once you've done that, you're good to go. To get started with the installation of the Monster Insights plugin, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Now, once you've logged in, just head over to the plugins page and install Monster Insights on your site. You can download the plugin from the Downloads tab in your Monster Insights account. Don't have a Monster Insights account? That's no problem. Just go to monsterinsights.com/YTVIP to take advantage of a special deal we've created for our YouTube viewers. All right, now that you've purchased your Monster Insights license, just download the plugin. You can do that by visiting monsterinsights.com and clicking the login link at the top of the page. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Monster Insights download area. Now, once you're there, just click the download link on the right side of the screen. All right, now that you've downloaded the file, you can navigate back to your WordPress website and log in. Now, once you're on your dashboard, you'll need to head over to Plugins and then click Add New. Next, you'll need to click the Upload Plugin button at the top of the page. Then click the Choose File button and select the zip file that you just downloaded from monsterinsights.com. Next, click the Install button to upload the file and install the plugin on your site. Now, once the plugin has been uploaded and installed, you can click the Activate button to activate the plugin. Now, as a side note, if you previously installed Monster Insights Lite, you'll see a message that says to deactivate the Lite plugin, so just go ahead and click that button so you can proceed. Then on the plugin screen, just click the Activate link just under the Monster Insights Pro plugin. Okay, next you'll need to click the Launch the Wizard button. Then choose the option that best describes your website and click Save and Continue. Now enter your license key. You can find your license key on your My Account page at monsterinsights.com or in the confirmation email that you received from Monster Insights when you made your purchase. Okay, once the authenticating process is completed, just click the Connect Monster Insights button. Now you want to choose the Google Analytics account that you'd like to associate with your website. Once the screen loads, click Allow to give Monster Insights permission to access your Google Analytics account. Now, if you have more than one website associated with your Google Analytics account, you'll need to select the website that you're wanting to track with the Monster Insights plugin and then click Complete Connection. Once the connection is finalized, you'll need to review some simple Monster Insights settings and then click Save and Continue at the bottom of the page. All right, now on this page, you'll see a list of Pro License recommended add-ons. So just click the Save and Continue button at the bottom of the page. Then on the next page, click the link at the bottom right side of the screen to proceed on to the next page. All right, once Monster Insights finishes checking your website, simply click the Finish Setup and Exit Wizard button. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Monster Insights plugin. Okay, now you can go ahead and install the Monster Insights add-on for Google Optimize. To install the add-on, you'll need to go to the admin sidebar on the left side of the screen and then hover your mouse over Insights and then click Add-ons. Now, once this page loads, navigate to the Monster Insights Google Optimize add-on and click the Install button. Now that the add-on is installed and activated, you can access your Google Optimize settings. All right, now you'll need to create a new Google Optimize account. So go ahead and type in optimize.google.com in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, click Get Started. Now Google is going to ask you if you'd like to sign up for their emails so that you can get the most out of Google Optimize. Make your decisions and then click Next at the bottom of the page. On the next page, we're going to leave all these options checked and then click the boxes to accept Google's terms of service. Once you've finished, click Done. Once the page loads, click Let's Go. Then, a Create Experience pop-up window is going to appear on the right side of your screen. So you'll need to enter the name that you'd like to use. This can be your own name or the name of your company. Now, just below that, you'll need to enter your website's URL and then click Create at the top of the page. Next, you'll need to link your Optimize account with Google Analytics, so just scroll down and click the Link to Analytics button. Then on the flyout screen on the right, click the drop-down menu and select the web property that you'd like to use, then click Link at the top of the page. Now scroll back to the top of the page and click the Optimize logo. Then on the right side of the screen, click the cog icon that's labeled as Settings. Now you'll see your Container Settings page. In the Container Details section, you'll see your Optimize ID, so you'll need to copy it because we're going to use it in just a moment. You'll also notice that your Optimize snippet script is found just below that. Now you don't need to worry about that because Monster Insights is going to do all the hard work for you. Next, you'll need to log into your WordPress website dashboard and then navigate to Insights and then click Settings. Now click Conversions at the top of the page. Now you'll want to place your Google Optimize container ID in the correct field and click the checkbox near the Enable Google Optimize Async Page Hide Compatibility. Now you can just leave the remaining fields unchanged and then click Save Changes. That's it. You've successfully installed Google Optimize in WordPress. Now get started with the most powerful and user-friendly WordPress analytics plugin on the market. Monster Insights is trusted by more than 2 million professionals to grow their business and offers a 14-day money-back guarantee. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when the next video is posted. In the meantime, you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter for more free tips, tricks, and tutorials for using Monster Insights on WordPress.